them behind us, right?
Yeah, it's too slower.
I swear it seems slower this time, does it? The Matterhorn is more fast? I don't know. This definitely seems slow.
Yeah. I know, it's so... I thought it was longer last time.
I swear it's like faster last time.
You know why? I think there is a lot of backup for the ride. You know what I'm saying? Oh, it's working this time. Last time she was stuck, yeah. Oh yeah, she is. Oh, she's high.
That's the way. That's like what you're talking about.
Yeah. Good?
Yeah.
The witch is scary. The witch is scary. That wasn't scary.
That wasn't scary at all, right? Yeah.
No, only the witch was scared.
She's like hanging outside the building.